Hi, I'm Ryan Keepman, President at Evans Transportation. The industry did see a record year in 2018. A lot of the big trucking buyers, they all stopped taking orders, right? Because they were at their backlog was basically full. And at this point in time, I think they're all predicting that this slowdown will occur. Well, it has. So into the first quarter of this year, we're seeing a slowdown. Now, for our business, we're fortunate. We do service this industry pretty heavily, and a lot of those parts that still need to go out get manufactured and shipped out. So I think you'll start to see the parts industry pick up, whereas the capital equipment side in some of the bigger rigs were being manufactured over the course of, at record levels over the course of the last year and a half, 2 years. That will slow down naturally. It again goes in ebbs and flows, just like our economy does, and how supply and demand changes over time. Obviously, it's a fear for all the salespeople and all those with budgetary responsibilities that cancellations will occur, especially if we are coming into a slowdown in the economy. But right now, I think the outlook is still very positive. I think the start to 2019 has been maybe stronger than some have predicted, in line with what others have. Me personally, I was a little bit more skeptical, and the industry saw a significant slowdown in late August into early October of last year, 2018. I thought that would carry over into 2019, but we have not seen a slowdown at this time.